Welcome to Report and Run's Quick Tips, where you learn skills fast. In this video, we are going to show you how to add polygons to your images. Let's get started. Like all annotations, it is done with a stroke of your finger. First, double tap on an image until the header bar turns black, and then trace out a box. Your polygons need to have at least 3 sides. You can move the whole annotation by dragging any line. And you can adjust the shape of a polygon by dragging the corners. You can easily remove a corner by dragging it quickly from side to side. Lastly, you can close a polygon by dragging the ends on top of each other, and the polygon will automatically close. You now know how to add polygons to your images. Try our other quick tips to learn about the many powerful features available to you in your free version of Report and Run. We would like to thank you for watching our Quick Tips learning series and would encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new updates about future resources. Please press thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and for all other questions you may email us at support@reportandrun.com.